everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would do an eyeshadow bingo. I see people have started doing them again. I haven't done one in quite a while and I thought it'd be just kind of fun. I wanted to film today, so why not? I'm going to use my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and if you happen to not know what this is, you use a random generator. You pick however many numbers you want and you count your eyeshadows, and that's the colors you have to use. So I have the pretty random generator here, and let's see, there's 18 shades in here. So let me set this. No, 18. Okay, the first number I got was 10. That's this shade right here, which is called Puree. When I shake it, it gives me numbers way beyond, so I'm going to hit the button. 16. So that's the color right under Puree. Okay. You hit the button again. 18. So I've got, oh no, it's Bellini, Puree, and Talk Derby to me. So this dark one here and these two, and I can do that. I can use that. I will start with those and then see if I want to add another shade, or if I don't. I'm going to start with Puree. Actually, no, I'm going to start with, yeah, Puree, which is this one. I'm going to start with that, and I'm going to put it in my transition area. I didn't put anything down to set my primer. Hope this is bright enough. Not too bad. Not too bad. If you hear screaming, my family's watching TV, and just like the rest of you, we're all housebound. That looks pretty good. I like that. Next, I am going to take Talk Derby to me. I'm going to put that on my outer V. I don't think I'm going to put it in my crease. I'm going to keep it on the outer V. Let me blend that a little. So you got a smooth edge there. Okay, I think that looks good. I'm going to take a little detail brush, go back into Talk Derby with me, Talk Derby to me, and line under my eyes with that one. And there we go. Now I'm going to take another brush, and I'm going to go into Bellini and put that on my lid. And Bellini is that shimmer pink. Okay, I'm going to darken up the outer V again a little bit. There we go. That's just a very simple look. Okay, I'm going to put my mascara on and be right back. Alright, there we go. I just put some brown liquid eyeliner on, this Tarteiest in brown. And my mascara, which I'm currently using the Urban Decay Perversion. And that's all I did. And I think that makes a nice It's a nice, simple look. Something that you could easily wear to work. Yeah, I think it looks really nice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Questions or comments, leave them down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.